Flaps, take off position. Wait to trim. Dead for takeoff. Uy, go around na naman.
Our tower RPC 84 to wanna go around for runway 0 to Omni for full stop.
84 to report base.
Report base RPC 84 to.
Clark Tower, RPC 3604, good afternoon.
3604, go ahead.
RPC 3604, Cessna 152, VFR, holding point 0 Tommy, with information, echo, ready for departure, touch and go, ma'am.
604, KNH 101 to report airborne 0 to Omni.
KNH 1012, call you back, airborne 3604. Go bless, landing light. Base, finals clear. Okay, winds into the right. Lining up center line. Slowly take off. Full power. Center line. Static RPM, maintaining center line. Ailerons into the wind. 40, 50, 60. Roadside. Gain 65. Tower T604, airborne 0 Tommy, touch and go.
Report base.
Will report base 3604. Standard seat, to the back flaps.
4 just passed by Magalang 2.
F center right clear. 900 feet.
359 for confirm landing.
Affirmative, ma'am, for landing. 3594.
Report Salesiano.
Report Feliciano, request to descend to 1,500, 3594.
Clark Tower RPC 1051, now turning base for touch and go.
05 and report airborne.
Report airborne 1051.
F center right
Clark Tower
clear.
RPC 835, good afternoon.
835, go ahead.
RPC 835, Cessna 152, holding port 0 to Omni, ready for departure for Charlie boundaries counterclockwise.
835, KNH 101 to report airborne 02 traffic base.
Ma'am, say again, KNH.
012.
KNH 1012, report airborne, aircraft on turning final.
3567 airborne 02,
Brakes,
request
undercarriage,
crosswind departure to
make sure,
Charlie
prime
4.
and lock, fuel shut above on.
Report 34.
Switches are all
Report
on.
Charlie 4.
Are all on.
2 extending down and giving way for 835.
Power 21. Speed check, stop stand, link traffic. Power back 21. Training 1000. Tower 3604 extending downwind for traffic separation.
Sure.
Left center right clear. Power 2000. 10900.
Clark Tower RPC 835, airborne, request right crosswind departure to Magalang for Charlie boundaries counterclockwise.
835, report Magalang.
Report Magalang RPC 835.
Tower T604 white base 0 Tommy touch and go.
604, report airborne.
Call you back airborne T604.
Tower 35904, confirm altitude of aircraft going to Magalang.
835, request your altitude to Magalang.
Proceeding Magalang, ma'am, 1,000 feet.
Crosswind landing.
Clark Tower 1513.
1513, go ahead, sir.
1513, ma'am, is over the Woodland runway. Request to change frequencies to Woodland.
PC 1513, may switch. Good day, sir.
You have a good day, maraming salamat. Habol kayo mamaya, ma'am.
Ano, sir?
35994 approaching Feliciano, 1500.
3567 position.
567 parametric information to Cockpit.
567 Roger, break 3594, tying down and 02, report established.
Flying down on 02, report established, 3594.
Airfield 2965, request taxi.
22965, taxi 02 via Delta, Foxtrot 7.
Taxi 02 via Delta Fox 7, Airfield 2965.
Clark Tower, Office Helicopter 2538, good afternoon, madam.
538, go ahead.
Roger, from Baguio, 1000 feet. We are now passing low speed, request pass east of the station via Magalang for Manila.
538, report Magalang QNH 1012.
Report Magalang 1012-2538.
Sir, and request your position again this time.
Tower C604, turning crosswind for Omni, touch and go.
604, report please.
Will report base 3604. Clark Tower, RBC 1051, commence go around for touch and go. Tower 21, maintain 1000. Speed check. Tower T604, turning base 0 Omni, touch and go.
604, report airborne.
Will report airborne 3604. Third final. For high. Flight Tower BC 835 now approaching Feliciano 1200 for inbound instruction back to Omni.
PC 835, tying down and 02, report established.
Well, join down in RPC 835 will report established.
05 on position.
051 now late downwind. Airfield 2965, ma'am, can you request to maintain this position for, due to some minor test?
Current 2 minutes.
2 minutes will be okay, Airfield 2965. Tower Airfield 2876, 7 miles on the island, 02.
Field 2976, register, continue approach, traffic is still on the axis.
The approach Airfield 287. 567 ma'am, over Marquee 2000.
567, tying down and runway 02, report established.
Go downwind runway 02, 3567.
Airfield 2865 ma'am, we are ready.
Field 2965, maintain 5,000 feet runway heading 02, cleared for takeoff.
5,000, runway heading clear for takeoff runway 02 Airfield 2965. Start out DC 8863, just past the pass 1,500, request sequence to Magalang.
051, proceed and hold analyst.
Proceed and hold angle search 1051. Start out DC 835, landed, runway vacated, closing side plan, thank you ma'am.
835 today, break 1051, report analyst.
Report angle 1051. Clark Tower 2538, Mexico, request
538, you may switch today.
Tower T604, airborne 0 Omni, touch and go.
604, report initial downwind.
Will report initial downwind 3604. Third Tower BC863, northwest of Concepcion, approximately 5 nautical miles. Request sequence, busy to Magalang.
63 number 1, break airfield 2965, contact 119er, decimal 2.
119 to airfield 2965 today. So RBC 1051 landed, on vacated, closing flight plan, thank you, good day.
051, good day.
Correct, 3930.
Meteor 180, enter the runway for Cockpit.
180 enter the runway. Take it 425. So yeah.
Confirm.
Tower 2604, clear of the active closing flight plan, ma'am. Thank you, good day.
604, good day.